Hello everyone, my name is Hunter and I'll be doing my presentation on Williamina Fleming. Williamina was born in 1857 and died in 1911 due to pneumonia. She did not graduate from any school. Instead, she dropped out and became a maid for Edward Pickering. Pickering saw more potential in her than other employees and decided to put her in charge of data analysis. He focused on observing stars, and that's why Wilhelmina fell in love with stars and outer space. In the field of observational astronomy, Wilhelmina Fleming is an important figure whose work helped shape the classification of stars and set the foundation for modern discoveries. Now, for the background. Women during this time did not have a lot of opportunities to work in the field of astronomy. She set a foundation for modern astronomers to use her information and understand observational astronomy. After working at the observatory for a few years, she was known as the Harvard Computers. With this title, people were tasked to analyze astronomical data, particularly pictures. Williamina was able to measure spectra even from faint and distant stars. Using a magnifying glass, she meticulously inspected the photographic plates. She was made an honorary member of the Royal Astronomical Society of London in 1906 and was presented with a medal. The Royal, the Royal Astronomical Society of London encourages the study of astronomy and gives credit to those who have made sufficient findings with proof. Moving on to her findings. At the time, there was no real good technology like there is today. She created a spectral classification system that is used today called OBAFGKM. We have used this system in our labs and assignments and has been a great tool to use. This method organizes stars based on characteristics of their hydrogen spectral lines and temperature. With this tool, with this tool, we have been able to understand stellar types and how to classify all temperatures. In 1888, Fleming discovered the Horsehead Nebula on Harvard Plate B2312. This is one of her more famous discoveries, and this was what got everyone's attention. This discovery has been an icon for her and for observational astronomy. Her ability to find this using the photographic date has proven to be an excellent way to discover new things. She has discovered multiple other items such as 59 gaseous nebulae, 10 novae, and over 300 variable stars. She was the first person to discover a white dwarf. Her work was then added to the Henry Draper catalog, which is a catalog containing classifications for over 10,000 stars. Wilhelmina had contributions outside of her scientific discoveries, such as her administrative role at Harvard College. She is also the first woman to hold an official title at Harvard. Observational astronomy would not be the same today if it wasn't for Wilhelmina, because she produced detailed catalogs for different spectral types. Her accurate findings of large-scale data, such as our universe, has proven women can be just as helpful or even more helpful than men during that time. The properties she studied the most were temperature, luminosity, and composition. Wilhelmina's legacy is not just in the stars she discovered, but in giving inspirational to future generations of astronomers. More importantly, she proved that studying astronomy as a woman could change the social limitations of gender. In conclusion, Williamina was an idol whose visionary work remains central to observational astronomy. Her discoveries and classification systems helped elevate the role of women in science and created tools and data sets that astronomers continue to use today. Thank you.